Space, the final frontier. It's a vast expanse that has always intrigued and inspired humanity. From the earliest civilizations, we have looked up at the night sky, wondering what lies beyond our world. It's a realm of endless possibilities where the only limits are those of our imagination and technological prowess. The universe is a canvas, waiting for us to paint our story upon it. For centuries, we have gazed at the stars and dreamed of exploring the cosmos. Ancient astronomers charted the movements of celestial bodies, laying the groundwork for modern space science. Now that dream is closer than ever. With each passing year, we make significant strides in our quest to explore the final frontier. Rockets are becoming more powerful, spacecraft more advanced, and our understanding of the universe more profound. We are on the verge of a new era of space exploration, an era that promises to be more ambitious, more accessible, and more awe-inspiring than ever before. This is not just a journey for scientists and astronauts, but for all of humanity. This new era is driven by a convergence of factors. Advances in technology, increased investment, and a renewed sense of curiosity are all propelling us forward. The barriers that once seemed insurmountable are now being overcome. Technological advancements are revolutionizing space travel. From reusable rockets to sophisticated robotics, the tools at our disposal are more powerful than ever. These innovations are making space travel safer, more efficient, and more sustainable. Private companies are emerging as major players in the space industry. Organizations like SpaceX, Blue Origin, and others are pushing the boundaries of what is possible, driving competition and innovation. They are making space more accessible to a wider range of people and purposes. And there is a renewed global interest in pushing the boundaries of human exploration. Nations around the world are collaborating on ambitious projects, sharing knowledge and resources. The cosmos beckons, and we are answering the call together. Are you ready to answer the call? The journey ahead is filled with challenges, but also with incredible opportunities. It's a chance to discover new worlds, to learn more about our own planet, and to inspire future generations. The future of space travel is filled with excitement and potential. Imagine living on Mars, mining asteroids for resources, or traveling to distant stars. These once fantastical ideas are becoming increasingly plausible. From upcoming missions to the possibility of human life on Mars, the next decade promises to be transformative for humanity's presence in space. We are on the cusp of a new chapter in our story, one that will be written among the stars. The next decade promises to be transformative for humanity's presence in space. We are on the cusp of a new chapter in our story, one that will be written among the stars. The discoveries we make and the challenges we overcome will shape the future of our species. Let's embark on this incredible journey together. The stars are within our reach, and the universe is waiting for us. Together, we can achieve the extraordinary. Our closest celestial neighbor, the Moon, has always held a special place in our hearts and imaginations. Now, after decades, we are returning to the Moon, this time to stay. NASA's Artemis program is at the forefront of this lunar renaissance. This ambitious program aims to land the first woman and the next man on the Moon by 2025. But Artemis is more than just a few trips to the lunar surface. It's about establishing a sustainable human presence on the Moon. The Artemis program will pave the way for future missions to Mars and beyond. It will inspire a new generation of scientists, engineers, and explorers, and it will remind us of the power of human ingenuity and collaboration. While the Moon is our next-door neighbor, there are other intriguing destinations in our solar system. These celestial bodies hold secrets that could change our understanding of life and the universe. One such destination is Europa, a moon of Jupiter. Europa is not just any moon, it is a world of ice and mystery, orbiting the largest planet in our solar system. Europa is a fascinating world. Beneath its icy surface lies a vast, salty ocean that may contain more water than all the oceans on Earth combined. This hidden ocean is shielded by a thick crust of ice, which scientists believe could be several kilometers thick. And where there is water, there could be life. The presence of water is one of the key ingredients for life as we know it. Scientists are eager to explore this ocean to see if it harbors any forms of life, even if they are just microbial. The Europa Clipper mission, set to launch in the 2020s, will investigate the habitability of Europa's ocean. This mission is a monumental step in our quest to understand the potential for life beyond Earth. This mission will use a suite of instruments to study Europa's icy shell, its subsurface ocean, and its potential for supporting life. These instruments will measure the thickness of the ice, the depth of the ocean, and the composition of the surface. The Europa Clipper mission is a testament to our insatiable curiosity and our desire to explore the unknown. It represents humanity's relentless pursuit of knowledge and our drive to push the boundaries of what we know. It's a mission that could rewrite our understanding of the universe and our place in it. By exploring Europa, we are not just looking for life, we are seeking to understand the fundamental processes that shape our solar system and beyond. The discoveries made by the Europa Clipper could have profound implications for our understanding of life's potential in the cosmos. The future of space travel is not just about government agencies like NASA. Private companies are playing an increasingly important role in shaping the future of space exploration. Companies like SpaceX, Blue Origin, and Virgin Galactic are developing innovative technologies and pushing the boundaries of what's possible in space travel. They are making space travel more affordable, more accessible, and more exciting. These companies are not just launching satellites and sending tourists into space. They are also developing reusable rockets, building space stations, and dreaming of establishing colonies on Mars. The space revolution is well underway, and private companies are at the forefront of this exciting new era. Section 5. Reusable rockets making space travel affordable. One of the biggest obstacles to space travel has always been the cost. Launching a single rocket into space used to cost hundreds of millions of dollars. But thanks to the advent of reusable rockets, the cost of space travel is plummeting. Reusable rockets, as the name suggests, are designed to be launched and landed multiple times. This dramatically reduces the cost of each launch, making space travel more accessible to governments, businesses, and even individuals. Reusable rockets are a game changer for the space industry. They are making it possible to launch more missions, conduct more research, and explore more of the cosmos than ever before. Section 6. Space tourism, a dream within reach. For decades, space travel was the exclusive domain of governments and astronauts. The idea of ordinary people venturing into space seemed like a distant dream, something out of science fiction. The monumental achievements of NASA and other space agencies were awe-inspiring, but they were also a reminder of how far away the stars really were for the average person. But now, thanks to the efforts of private companies, space tourism is on the horizon. These companies are breaking barriers and making space more accessible than ever before. The dream of touching the stars is no longer confined to astronauts, it's becoming a reality for everyday people. Companies like Virgin Galactic and Blue Origin are already offering suborbital flights that allow passengers to experience a few minutes of weightlessness and breathtaking views of Earth from the edge of space. These pioneering companies are not just offering a ride. They are offering an experience that changes one's perspective on our planet and our place in the universe. And SpaceX is planning to send civilians on orbital and even lunar missions. Imagine circling the Earth or even traveling to the Moon, experiencing the vastness of space firsthand. These missions are not just about exploration. They are about expanding human presence beyond our home planet. Space tourism is not just about thrill rides for the ultra-wealthy, it's about democratizing space, making it accessible to a broader audience. The goal is to create opportunities for people from all walks of life to experience the wonders of space. It's about opening up space to everyone and inspiring a new generation of space enthusiasts. Programs and initiatives are being developed to engage young minds, sparking curiosity and passion for space exploration. Imagine the impact on a child who gets to see the stars up close or attend a space camp. Imagine a world where anyone can experience the wonder of space travel. A world where the boundaries of Earth no longer limit our dreams. This vision is becoming more tangible with each passing day. That world is closer than you think. The advancements in technology and the relentless pursuit of innovation are bringing us to the brink of a new era in human history. Space tourism is not just a dream, it's a dream within reach. Section 7. Challenges and Dreams of Mars. Mars, the red planet, has captivated our imaginations for centuries. It's a world of stark beauty with towering volcanoes, vast canyons, and polar ice caps. And it's the most likely candidate for becoming humanity's second home. But establishing a human presence on Mars is no easy feat. It will require overcoming numerous challenges, including the planet's thin atmosphere, extreme temperatures, and lack of liquid water on the surface. Despite the challenges, the dream of sending humans to Mars is very much alive. NASA is actively developing plans for human missions to Mars in the coming decades, and private companies like SpaceX are also setting their sights on the red planet. Section 8: AI and Robotics Partners in Space Exploration. As we venture further into the cosmos, artificial intelligence and robotics will play increasingly important roles in space exploration. AI-powered systems can analyze vast amounts of data, control spacecraft, and even assist astronauts with complex tasks. Robots can explore hazardous environments, collect samples, and even build structures on other planets. AI and robotics are not replacements for human explorers. They are partners, working alongside us to unlock the secrets of the universe. Together, we can achieve far more than we ever could alone. Section 9: The Future of Humanity Among the Stars. The future of space travel is filled with promise and potential. We are on the cusp of a new era of exploration, an era that will see humans venturing further into the cosmos than ever before. Imagine a future where humans live and work on the moon, where we explore the oceans of Europa for signs of life, and where we set foot on the surface of Mars. This is not science fiction. This is the future that we are building today. The future of humanity is inextricably linked to the stars. It's time to embrace our destiny as a spacefaring species and embark on the greatest adventure of all. The cosmos awaits.